Next, an enormous piece of street art has appeared outside Cardiff Central Railway Station to mark the reopening of a medieval watergate at Caerphilly Castle. The chalk artwork by world-renowned artist Julian Beaver creates a striking optical illusion of the long-hidden entrance. Commissioned by Cador, the installation highlights a key feature used in medieval times for transport and defence. The gate, which links the castle's Great Hall to its southern lake, is now open for the first time in centuries. The art forms part of an £8 million regeneration project aimed at revitalising one of Wales' most iconic landmarks. Visitors can expect refurbished interiors and new interactive exhibits as part of the experience. On City Road in Cardiff, new plans could transform one of the city's busiest streets. Cardiff Council's proposals include new zebra crossings, upgraded pedestrian routes and a dedicated bus lane running between Tolworth Street and the Parade. The plans aim to improve safety and also traffic flow, as well as offer sustainable transport. A contraflow cycle lane on Shakespeare Street and Milton Street and new puffing crossings are also part of the proposal. Business owners in the area say they've a mix of support and concern. While some welcome better parking and pedestrian safety, others feared a loss of access and parking could negatively impact trade. A separate consultation is also underway for new permit zones in nearby areas. Now, major concerts in Cardiff could face disruption as over 450 Cardiff bus drivers prepare for a 3-week strike starting on the 17th of August. Unite the Union says the walkout is due to low pay and poor conditions. Events potentially affected include shows by Tom Jones and also Basement Jacks at Cardiff Castle. Cardiff Bus says it was disappointed by the action, having made a pay offer of 5.86%. Traffic on the M4 westbound near Cardiff was brought to a complete halt on Saturday when a cow wandered onto the road. The incident happened between junctions 32 and 33 and it caused significant tailbacks. Traffic Wales and local police worked together to safely remove the animal, with the road reopened within the hour.